Okay, after the weekend, we're back. We released the Qline indicator this weekend through QuantVue. So the only way you can get it is to go to QuantVue.io and the email to get a hold of Mike, who owns and runs QuantVue, is hello@QuantVue.io. So now you can see we have bull and bear flags that are actionable buy and sell signals. In the training, we'll show you how simple it is to place stops and what to use as exit points. So basically, we're using our non-recalculating, no repainting adaptive price bands as an over-under mechanism, and Renko candles. So I'm using 1 second data from a premium subscription in TradingView to power a Renko candle, and the Renko vertical box sizing I'm using is 3 for the NASDAQ. I use 0.8 for ES up to 1.0 and different settings for other instruments, crypto, FX, and so on. And there you go. We have actionable bull and bear signals that can be tied into the alerts. It's called Qline bull, Qline bear, and can also be tied into any automated system activity or sent out through a bridge to MT4, MT5 platform from some of the available tools that are out there for connecting to and operating with the TradingView platform. So there you have it. We have the Qline out. Right out of the gates this morning, we kind of had one of those one and done buy signals about 8:33 Chicago time and off to the races. We're now up to a resistance level area and then got a flip, so not a bad area to take an exit, and you'd basically be done on the day. If you worked any of the pre-market stuff, you had a long and then a short. So any long there, you made some money. The short would have been a scratch trade until the long triggered off. And you can tie it in with the money ball as confirmation if you'd like. And anytime you get a bull signal, you can only get one bull signal until you get a bear signal. So if you want multiple or additional trend following entries, you can use the regular Q zone tools for that with the money ball. Do the money ball dual trades, or you can just run this setup, and when you see flips in the trend indicator that are in alignment with the money ball impulse setting, you can work those as standalone adds to an original entry or standalone trend following, shorter time frame trend following entries. So there you have it. The Qline is now available as part of the mid-tier and upper tier subscription package from QuantVue.io. Guys are already talking about it and posting some stuff in the Discord room that we have. We do have extensive training with all the tools. And remember, the money ball is very advanced. We use the same type of math that's used in seismic detection equipment, that type of math. So we're looking for the tremors before the quake. On some settings, we use it for trend bias. For some, we look for impulse moves. This is set at more of an impulse setting on my lower time frame scalping chart. So there you have it. We're getting very close to getting a bull signal, and bingo, there we have it. There's a bull signal. Now this is right at resistance, known resistance from before. So nothing that I would be buying. In the training, I cover extensively trade location, price patterns, and then all the system setups. So the area to get long this morning was the buy setup out of the open. We had a really nice hold of that price level. The market opened right about here. US cash session open. We held, we lifted, got the money ball the Qline bull, and off to the races you go. And on the counter signal at known resistance, it was a perfect area to close out that trade and have a one and done day. One and done, I call it. Or theoretically, you could be done for the day. And I'm using a mouse pad drawing tool with the video. That's why it's so nasty. So one and done day with the Qline trade setups right out of the open. I do advocate having a daily goal when you trade prop accounts, and when you get it, shift into a defensive mode if you're going to keep trading, or stop trading for the day and go do something else. So there you have it. Qline indicator is now out. We'll have the Moneyball duel. If you go through the QuantVue or Zone Algo YouTube channels, you'll see many videos on the Moneyball duel setups. The Moneyball duel indicator will be out to all one-time pay ZBox guys, all subscribers of ZBox, and all subscribers of the QZone tools through QuantVue.io. That should be out by the end of the week. So things are really moving along here nicely. Okay, everybody have a great trade day. Talk to you soon. And I'll put more updates out this week.